Today, I'm going to show you the biggest golf umbrella because no matter what they say, size does matter. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's not so much the size, really. It's how you use it. But nonetheless, when we can get something big, we usually go a little bigger. I want to show you just how big this umbrella is, and then I will tell you about me buying this. I have some golf umbrellas. They're really nice, right? And, you know, they are about the size that fits onto a normal golf bag without sticking out beyond your driver. This one will not, because this one is 80 inches. 80 inches of goodness. It does come in a couple of different colors. I did notice that, but I just went with your standard black so that I can stalk people at night with it, kind of use it as a shield from security cameras or protect myself in the rain. It does come with this sleeve. As you can see, it's kind of sliding down there off the tip, just the tip, and it has a little drawstring like strap here so I can carry it like this, carry it like a rifle on my back, and I'm going to see if we can get this out of here because I'm pretty excited about checking this big guy out, which is what the strippers used to say to me when I would enter the champagne room. But this should keep you, your family, and most of your close relatives dry if you ever get caught in a rainstorm. Little plastic hardware up there. You don't want too much metal around this place. This is a foam grip. I mean, it feels like foam. Harder than mouse pad foam, but that kind of thing. And as you can see, it's about the right size for my hand. I think the ribbings on here are always plastic so that you don't get electrocuted out there. And it says G for life. Golf for life, or like a G, like me. There we go. 2 straps on this guy, and the thing is vented for those heavy wind days. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this guy up here. See, how do we deploy this guy? Oh, do want to show you. Wasn't that obvious to me, but there is a little silver button right there. So found it, and now we can go ahead and push this thing. My God, this thing is like a patio umbrella. So you can see up here these air channels. So wind comes in here, kind of pushes out this middle section, vents out here, as opposed to just folding the sucker back like it's a parachute. Those are always funny videos, right? So if I do this, all right, doesn't seem to be folding over itself. Look at this. This little tip came off here. Again, just the tip. I think I can fix it here, but you might have to close it up to put it back on. Oh, all right, just there. So don't worry about that. Not a quality issue, but look how big this thing is. Dude, I have had tents that are smaller than this. If I took this camping instead of like a personal tent, I would be just fine. So you could put a whole Girl Scout troop under this thing. This is amazing. Look at this guy. Tell me that's not the biggest umbrella you have ever seen. 80 inches. Come on, everyone, gather around. The cool thing about this that I really like is that my golf cart, your little push cart, has an umbrella stand on it. So I can put this up here, and not only would this be better than the shading that I get from one of the electric golf carts that you would rent, but I could have a little wedding ceremony or something like that in here. All my friends, come on over, stand under the umbrella, get a little shade. Come on. Yeah, dude, this thing is pretty amazing. It's unfortunately too tall to really go in my golf bag. So it's a little funny they call it a golf umbrella because it's longer than my driver. Even though it says 80 inches in diameter, that means like from the handle to the base, it's going to be like 45, 46 inches. So if you don't mind it sticking up from the side of your golf bag, because most golf bags are only 33 to 34, 35 inches, right? That's like 10 extra inches. That's a lot. Size does matter. But if you're looking for the biggest umbrella that you can put in the trunk of your car so that when you get caught in the rain, you don't get caught in the rain, then you can pick this guy up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.